everyone! I hope you're doing great. I am your friend, Rocio Carreon, and today we will learn about an awesome topic, commas, colons, and semicolons. So pay close attention. Commas! A comma is a small pause in a sentence. It helps separate ideas and items to make your writing clearer. We can use them to separate items in a list. For example, I packed a toothbrush, a towel, sunscreen, and a book after introductory words or phrases. For example, after lunch, we went for a walk. This is important because without commas, lists or sentences can be confusing. Colons. A colon is used to introduce something, a list, explanation, or quote. To introduce the list, for example, you'll need 3 things: patience, practice, and persistence. Before an explanation or clarification. For example, there's no rule to remember. Always proofread your work. This is important because colons make your writing more organized and direct. Semicolons. A semicolon connects 2 closely related ideas or separates items in a complex list. We use them to join 2 independent clauses. For example, I wanted to go outside. It was raining too hard. In a list where items contain commas. For example, the conference was held in Tokyo, Japan, Paris, France, and London, England. This is important because semicolons show relationships between ideas and keeps your lists tidy. And there you have it. Commas, colons, and semicolons may seem tricky, but they're powerful tools to improve your writing. I really hope you like this video. Hit the like button and subscribe. Have fun!